Today we're going to break down the top 5 best credit cards in 2022, including 2 little-known ways that I've been able to earn 60% cashback equivalent on my spending. All right, let's jump right into it. What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So coming in at number 5 on today's list would be the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, which currently has no annual fee and has a brand new sign-up offer, giving you 1.5% cashback boost on your first year on up to $20,000 in spending. That means that on travel purchases made through the Chase Ultimate Reward System, you're going to get 6.5% cashback, 4.5% cashback on dining, including takeout and delivery services, as well as drugstores, and 3% back on all other purchases. Now remember, that is just in your first year or on your first $20,000 in purchases, whatever you hit first, but even after that intro offer expires, you're still getting 5% on travel, 3% on dining, delivery services, and drugstores, and 1.5% on all other purchases, and that cash back that you earn is totally unlimited, and that's pretty awesome. Now, this 1.5% boost does replace the previous cash sign-up bonus that I believe was around $300 when you spent a certain amount of money in the first few months, but a 1.5% boost on up to $20,000 in spending works out to exactly $300 in cash back on top of the cash back that you already earn in those different spending categories. So this new intro offer might be better or worse depending on how much money you spend, but regardless, the cashback multipliers that they are offering as an intro offer right now are pretty insane even with that spending cap. I'll also give an honorable mention here to the Chase Freedom Flex card, which is a very similar product to the Freedom Unlimited, but has different rolling categories, so that might be a product worth checking out as well. All right, but moving on from there, coming in at number 4 for the best credit card in 2022 would actually be a card that I personally just got myself, and that would be the Capital One Venture X card. Now, a warning that this is a more premium product, and while it does have a very reasonable annual fee, in my opinion, keep in mind that Capital One does have their standard venture card that is incredibly popular, is much more affordable, and is a fantastic way to dip your toe into the travel credit card space if you are brand new to it. But the Venture X card specifically offers a 70,000 mile sign-up bonus when you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months, a 10,000 mile anniversary bonus for every year that you keep this card, as well as a $300 annual travel credit and a $100 credit towards either global entry or TSA PreCheck. You're also going to get 10 miles per dollar on hotels and rental cars booked through the Capital One travel site, as well as 5 miles per dollar on flights booked with Capital One Travel, and 2 miles on all other purchases. But the best part about this card is that you get all of those premium travel benefits like the Capital One lounges, the Priority Pass lounges, and all of that is yours for just $395 per year, which I know might sound like a lot, but again, if you compare it to premium travel products from companies like American Express, for example, something like the Platinum card costs almost $700 per year. So if you are just looking to get into the premium travel credit card space and you want to do that as cheaply as possible, then the Venture X card is kind of a no-brainer. That being said, if you do want to be with American Express, you could look into something like the American Express Gold card, for example, that isn't going to give you the point multipliers on travel categories, but will still allow you to earn points and redeem them for insane value when booking certain high-value flights. Now, on that note, the Capital One Venture X, as well as the American Express Gold card, are the products that allow me to earn 60% cashback equivalent on my spending. Now, the Gold card specifically is not on today's list, but I did explain this process and all of the math in depth in a recent video called What's in My Wallet, so be sure to check that out if you want a more detailed breakdown. But essentially, you earn bonus points in certain spending categories on these cards. For example, 4 points per dollar on dining with the American Express Gold card. Then you can redeem those points and get as high as 15 cents or more per point in value when booking business class and first class flights. So 15 cents per point times 4 points earned per dollar of spending means that you're essentially getting 60 cents per dollar in value, or the equivalent of 60% cash back when you do jump through all of those different hoops. Again, be sure to check out that What's in My Wallet video if you want a more detailed breakdown of exactly exactly how this works, but the Venture X card is a great way to dip your toe in the water and learn how to use these premium travel cards at a much more affordable price. Coming in at number 3 is not going to be a surprise to any of you, but that of course would be the Discover It cashback credit card. Now, some of you may be surprised that this isn't higher up on the list, and if we were specifically talking about beginner credit cards in today's video, then this would absolutely be number 1. But if you're a little bit further along in your credit card journey, then this might not be the best product for you since it is definitely a beginner product. However, it is still a fantastic financial tool, especially if you are just getting started. The Discover It card currently has no annual fee, and it's going to give you 5% cash back on certain rolling categories each quarter on up to $1,500 in purchases each quarter. And these are very common categories like Amazon, grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and even PayPal. Plus, they're also going to give you 1% cash back on all other purchases, and you get their incredibly popular cashback match at the end of your first year, meaning you're basically getting 10% back on those rolling categories and 2% back on everything else in your first year. Their customer service is second to none, and I know I talk about it all the time, and this was actually my very first credit card that I opened when I was 18, and it helped me build a credit score of over 700 in a pretty short period of time. Nothing too flashy with this one, and there are a few different versions that you'll want to check out, but if you are brand new to the credit card space, then the Discover It card is a no-brainer for sure. Coming in at number 2 is another product that I talk about frequently here on the channel, and that of course would be the SoFi credit card. Now, this is another product that keeps it pretty simple, but it's actually going to give you 2% unlimited cash back on all of your purchases. But the best part about this product, and what really sets it apart from similar cards that give you 2% cash back, is the fact that you can redeem your cashback rewards in a number of really unique ways. For example, you can redeem it directly into your SoFi Invest account and put it towards fractional shares, invest it in cryptocurrencies, use it to pay down eligible SoFi loans, put it directly towards your card balance, and of course, you can also just take the cash back and it will go directly into your SoFi Money account. Plus, they are currently running an offer where you can earn double the cash back for your first 30 days, meaning 4% cash back on all of your purchases, which is just nuts. So if you are interested in the SoFi credit card, then be sure to sign up using the link down below to get 4% cash back for your first 30 days of having this card. All right, and coming in at number 1 for the best credit card in 2022 is actually going to be a bit of a curveball that I doubt any of you are expecting, but with some revamped cashback offers and other new features, this product is not one that I can ignore, and that would actually be the American Express Blue Cash Preferred Card. I don't think I've ever talked about this product in depth here on the channel, but if you're looking to just get some simple cash back on a number of different spending categories, then this product is probably the best option on the market right now. For starters, you're going to have no annual fee in your first year, and after that, it's a very reasonable $95 per year, which in my opinion is a very small price to pay for the insane benefits and cashback rewards that you get from this card. You're going to earn 6% cashback on all grocery store purchases up to $6,000 each year, 6% back on streaming services, 3% back on transit, including taxis, ride sharing, parking, tolls, buses, plus 3% back at gas stations, and 1% back on all other purchases. Typically, in order to cover all of those different spending categories, you'd have to have a trifecta with one of these companies of 3 different credit cards that in some cases can cost over $1,000 per year. Plus, you're currently going to earn $300 in a cashback offer after you spend $3,000 in the first 6 months of having this card, which I think is a very realistic spending requirement, and that means that paired with the $0 annual fee in your first year, you're essentially getting this product for free for 4 years if you get that $300 cashback bonus. But of course, you also get the many benefits that come with just having any American Express product, including their awesome rewards and travel system, and their fantastic customer support as well. So there you have it. That is my top 5 list for the best credit cards in 2022, but of course, this is just my opinion. So I would love to know what you think of this list down in the comment section below, and what products you feel I left off of this list. If you did get value out of this content and you want to help support me, the easiest way to do that is by checking out some of my favorite financial tools down in the description below, including one offer from the Point Cashback debit card that'll currently give you $100 when you open your account and make your first purchase. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who you think would get value out of this content as well. And of course, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it so much. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.